Untitled Synergy is an Australian developer of business and project management applications for the architecture, engineering and construction design verticals. In 2011, we realised the cloud was going to be the dominant technology, and so we developed a hybrid cloud platform on Microsoft Azure. At the Microsoft Partner Conference in 2012, we attended a session on the buyer's journey. From that session, we realised that we were engaging with our prospects much later in the sales cycle. We restructured our business development team from 4 sales reps and 1 marketing resource to 4 marketing resources and only 1 sales rep.
As recently as 2013, the buyer engagement would begin at about 180 days. Now we've seen that sales cycle shorten to 30 to 40 days. The buyer's already highly informed, they're aware of the products and their benefits, and our job is just to engage with them and convince them that our product is the right one in comparison to the competitors.
Finding the time to write is always a challenge, and we knew we really needed to focus on content, so we looked at outsourcing to agencies or freelance writers. But in the end, we hired directly onto the team a communication specialist. This quickly drove the expansion of our team to include a design and marketing support. It was really the best decision we ever made. Part of the challenge was funding the growth of the team. We found from shifting from more traditional promotional channels like print advertising to a digital focus really freed up our budget and gave us a lot more flexibility. We didn't end up spending any more money, we simply repurposed our existing budget to be more effective.
We structure our content around 6 core pillars that we think highlight our expertise and also fill in the information gaps for our audiences. We start with a vertical focus on our industry, then we also talk about technology, cloud, better business, our company and products, and then our employer brand. We create all of our content with a very specific set of editorial and production values. We call that OREO. OREO stands for original, relevant, insightful, and objective. We figure if we can make the content fit those values, we're going to build trust and people are going to come back for more. The blog is a centerpiece of all of our content, but we try and create the content to work in as many channels as possible, so we design a lot of visuals around that, photography, infographics, and so on. Social media is a key element for us. We use some channels more than others, but to be honest, we just try and distribute it as far and wide as we can.
Does it work? Yes, it does. In the last 2 years, we've doubled our new business revenue, and again this year we've smashed the target. We've also generated much deeper content, which has allowed us closer engagement with our client base that has reduced our churn to under 1% per annum. My advice for other Microsoft partners would be this. Firstly, understand that the buyer's journey has changed significantly and that you engage with your buyers much later in your sales cycle. Secondly, dive in, invest in your own original marketing content. Thirdly, bring your team in-house, preferably agency-level resources. And if you can't do that, use an agency with relevant industry experience. And lastly, have some fun with it.